Okay, we're gonna make yet another video explaining how this is supposed to work and how I can't get it to work. And we're gonna try to do something really fresh here. Real fresh. I'm just gonna try to start from basically square one. Okay? That's what I'm gonna do. Sprites. Let's just pretend that this thing we're just gonna pretend that this didn't exist in here. Okay? Just gonna pretend that didn't exist. So I'm going to say all of the steps in here, and we're gonna just go through this step by step, and we're gonna see how this is supposed to flippin' happen. Okay? So, step one. I'm going to take the after shatter block. Okay? This is the after shatter block right here. Okay? I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste it into my blocks folder. Okay? Boom. Is pasted in to the blocks folder. There it is right here. Aftertouch Shatter BLK. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do, we're deleting these aftertouch sprites in here, because we're going to try to do it from the beginning or something. Okay? So, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my download folder, go to his sprite folder, copy and paste the ASM and configure sprite files, and I'm going to paste them in my sprite folder. Okay, Aftertouch Shatter Sprite. And I'm going to write this down, kind of. At least I'm going to write down the block. The block is named after Touch, Shatter, and then BLK. Now, I can't get this thing to work at all, okay? Anyway. Alright. So, here's the deal. See this right here? This is Azar. I've renamed it as XKAS. And XKAS I've renamed as XKASS. As XAS. Okay? So, we're going to insert the sprite. Okay? Right? That's what we're doing, right? So we need to go to our sprite list. Okay? I'm going to insert this as 3. Okay? And now I forgot what the name of it is called. Let's look. It's called Aftertouch Shatter SPR. This better not be case sensitive. Okay, Aftertouch Shatter SPR. I'm saving it as sprite slot 3. Okay, Aftertouch. Oh, no. The spelling is a little weird, and I don't know if this means anything at all. I hate case-sensitive shit because it's too specific, and all these errors happen just because of stupidness. Okay? So, everything is spelled correctly. Case-sensitive. I did it as 3. Okay? Now, we're going to go in here to, now again, I've renamed Azar as XKAS so that this will work with Sprite Tool. So now, I'm going to click on Sprite Tool. It says, what do you want me to name this as? ROM is Super Mario world.smc, and then the text file is called sprites, SPRITESTXT. It says sprites inserted successfully. See that right there? It says it's been inserted successfully. Alright, now we need to worry about the block. So the block, we're going to open it up. After touch shatter block. Now here's the deal. Okay? There's all these configurations, right? Up here. Now, the first change. Sprite number has to be 3. Okay? Now, I don't have a block 601 in my game. That's not assigned to anything. So I'm going to use 130 because that's a cement block. Okay? Second change, and I'm going to keep it on shatter. Okay? I'm going to keep it on shatter because I don't want to fuck with anything. So, we're going to save as. Alright. We're just going to minimize this. Now, I'm going to go here and rename this ASAR because that's what I need to name it as, and this was XKAS. Okay. Now, okay, so I renamed some shit. So now I'm going to go into my list, okay, of all my blocks, and I'm going to put that block in here as a new block. Alright. Got a bad runny nose. I always have runny nose. Not always, but a lot of the time. Okay. So we need to find a block to use. I'm going to select this block. Okay. 3C3. 3C3. That's a freaking tongue twister. C3C. C3C. C3PO. Okay. We're going to delete these two things because we don't care about that shit right now. Okay. So, now I have a block chosen. It's 3C3. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my list of all the blocks. Okay? And I'm going to go down here and I'm going to type in 3C3. And it's going to be called after touch shatter block BLK ASM. Save as. Okay, now I have this set up with a bat file. So I'm going to click this icon and it's going to run ASR and put all those blocks into the game. Alright, there we go. It says all blocks are successfully applied in the game. Alright. Excellent. So now we go into here. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to open up Lunar Magic freshly. I don't know if that makes a difference. It shouldn't make a difference because I've done this a bunch of times and I don't think it makes a difference. We're going to go to the level we care about. And it's this level right here. Alright. Now what we're going to do is we're going to insert this block. Okay, remember it's called 3C3. Okay. We're going to go down until we see 3C3. And it says down here, it says shatters when getting off. So we select the block. I'm going to put it right here under Mario. We're going to save it. We're going to test this shit out. And we're going to see why the fuck this doesn't work. Okay, why the fuck does this not fucking work? Okay, now I get a star. What happens when I walk off of it? Nothing. Okay, so there's my problem. Okay, and I don't get it. And I've done this several times, and I don't get it. 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 I don't fucking get this goddamn shit. Fuck goddamn.